What's up? Welcome to the Weekly Dog, baby. The Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast Show. It's your boy Mako Scott, the man Russell.
And I'm Salim, the man Taylor Street.
And crazy week, man. Crazy week. We got a lot of stuff for y'all today. I'm talking about today. What is episode 3?
Episode 3. 1-6.
No, season 3.
Episode 1-6.
Yeah, we routed out the spaces. Got us little bugs out today. Episode 16. We got a lot on the card today, man. You know what I'm saying? I definitely want to get into our hoops. A lot been going on in the basketball world. College basketball been on fire.
Yes,
the women, the men. I don't know where to go. I think I'm gonna put y'all on to some women's basketball hoop. Few teams I've been tracking. So I'm excited about our hoops, man. We got that going on today.
Yes, sir, man. We also got, East top 5 will come back to my top 5.
Yeah, East top 5 coming back.
NFL is prime time. It's playoff style now for a lot of teams, but top 5 is top 5.
Yeah, definitely we winding down. NFL is doing that. Bears talk, of course. Come with the Bears. What we got to look forward to, what's going on in that world. And then we got the dogs.
Got to do dogs today.
Last week, 50-50.
50-50. Last week, 50-50. This week, we come back even hotter,
Yeah, come back even hotter, man. It's a lot going on in the show, man. But kick it off, man. Recap. We had a appreciation party, podcast appreciation party. Man, how you feel about it? Did you enjoy yourself, bro?
Amazing. It was amazing. I just want to thank everybody that came out to our appreciation party, man, because y'all know we've been going through a lot. Doing a lot, with this podcast. So for y'all to just show support and love, man. Everything was good. The food was magnificent.
Yeah, shout out Chef Jerk. You know what I mean? Chef Jerk on the wings and the mac and cheese.
Man.
Everybody was like, Mako, where you get that mac from? Who made the mac, man? Y'all business. Y'all know what it is, man. Ain't nothing but good chef, good food. The chicken went off the chain. Shout out to Mike.
Service.
Yeah, so service, man. Shout out cousin. We say country.
Man,
customer service. It was a great night, man. Best part of the night, he was on the pencil. I was on the service. He was on the pencil, and the best part of the night was he picked winners.
Pick winners, Pick the winners, man. Thanks to the Bears, whether even they lost, that was the only W downer. But shout out to Bro for winning the wing count, the halftime show.
Oh yeah. We brought hot mouth out. It was a crazy event, man. We just showed appreciation to everybody who's been supporting the podcast. We brought them out to the orchestration where we do the podcast at. We had all you can eat chicken wings, mac and cheese going on. Man, I'm gonna drop a couple of clips of the video so y'all probably see what's going on now. But shout out UC Gunn, he came through. Yeah, the hot mouth challenge. We had a real veteran.
Somebody got to beat his record. It's 4 right now.
Yeah, well, his record is 4. Yeah, but we just gonna see if you can maintain. Really, if you can maintain that heat, because the wings he had, I'm telling you, you have to sound a waiver for him. But everywhere we go, he get the hot wings. So I know he was a perfect man for the job. So the halftime show was off the chain. As usual, UC Gunn put down 4 of the hottest wings, or the hottest. He tried 2 different sauces, and trust me, these are the hottest sauces you ever gonna find out here. Around way hotter than B-Dub flaming sauce, or a hot sauce at like a place that we go to, like Ten Doors or Hawkeyes or somewhere like that. Even Hooters think they got a hot sauce. Everywhere we go, we try the hottest sauce. But UC Gunn, pretty much, he tried some custom special boomland hot sauce. So y'all know this sauce is, you gotta sound away for him to get the sauce. He knocked the sauce down. No drink for 5 minutes.
Man, he did it.
Came through, wrecked the challenge, and let me just tell y'all this right here. When we was putting the challenge together, I tried the wings out on a few different crowds, and a few people cried when they tasted the hot sauce. They actually cried real tears. So
I ain't seen for since though.
Yeah. Somebody check on UC
Gunn. He said he was in pain the next day. He went through like a champ at the beginning, but it was an aftershock.
Yeah, it's definitely aftershock. Bro was eating ice. Reggie told y'all all about it, man. He did his thing though. So that was probably one of the highlights of the night, along with E cashing in on the pencil. Man. So we 2 for 2, man. We did through this event a couple of times.
2 for 2. Yep, 2 for 2.
And both times we did the event, we picked winners. Well, you picked winners, yeah, we cashed out. So everybody, shout out to people who rolled with us. We was on the live stream. Y'all took the bet, didn't take the bet. It's all good. Don't like us, bet against us. It was all about the party, the vibe, this whole new era. I know it's something new.
Bets, man. You know, that's what I loved about it too, because a lot of us had our phones out. You know, I'm on DraftKings and FanDuel, and this person on DraftKings, this person on FanDuel, another guy on this. But all I'm saying is that, you know, we was coming together with the bets, how we was doing that, our togetherness, you know, and mostly everything hit. You know, we just 1 or 2 off because of that, you know.
Yeah, 1 or 2 off, but he did cash. I'm dropping the bet here, so y'all see he cashed on the date, 16th, man, successful day. And man, just shout out to that, man. It was a lovely event. Shout out to that. There's a lot going on. We got world champions. I guess we could get to them in our hoops. Yeah, but we got new cup champs. Y'all got to put some respect on their name.
And we gotta show shout out to, you know, still, you know, Colorado made it to the end.
Colorado. Colorado, beautiful, into a beautiful thing.
The guys in Boulderville, you know, just Dion still there, you know, Shador there, you know, just showing love to their guy, Travis Hunter. So shout out to Travis Hunter, you know, for winning that Heisman Trophy, you know. I ain't gonna say he deserved it like that, but still kudos, man. It's just really about Dion, the way he, you know, came to, you know, Big 12 and doing what he's doing like this, like, you know. Heisman Trophy winners and things like that, so I'm loving that.
The Travis Hunter story is one to be reckoned with. Great story. Prime, great job, man. You know, you did your thing, like he say. America, what can you say about Prime?
Nothing.
He went to Jackson State, showed out in Jackson State, maybe lost 1 game. In 2 seasons he was there, took his show on the road to Colorado. Man, brought Travis Hunter, his son won passing awards. The craziest award, I mean, Travis Hunter won the Heisman Award, but the craziest award he won was the academic award, bro. He's a true 2-way athlete on both sides of the ball and in the classroom. And to me, that's why he got the Heisman Award. A lot of people be talking about Genty, you know, we be off the rocks and we be messing up the names.
Snubbed, though, to me, I mean, I feel like he got snubbed. You know, I want to still give him kudos because at the end of the day, you know, nobody haven't did this since like Maurice Claret type mode. You know what I'm saying? Like, shout out to Maurice Claret, man. Hey. People don't know about you. You was a monster in college at Ohio State, and y'all won the national championship.
Baby.
That's what made me Ohio State from right there. You know, Big Ten anyway. But back to Genty though, this dude just did too much. Over 2,300 yards. You know, like, come on, B. Like, and too, because of that, I think he'll be even more mad than that. Okay, I didn't win that Heisman Trophy, but this national championship is still here for me to take.
Yeah, he
got plus 6,000.
Yeah,
plus 6,000.
Get to the bettor.
I'm going to jump right into the bettor. It just makes sense right now. You know, I just feel like he should be upset enough. And here, running back, I feel like he's going to run over everybody. They got a bye this week, so they don't even got to worry about the first round of the playoffs because they won their championship in their conference. So they one of the top 4 teams, even though they're not ranked the top 4. It's kind of crazy. But nevertheless, they ain't got to play this week. They play next week against a winner of one of these guys that's going at it. And so they're going to already be wounded from playing 1 game. Whoever they play against, somebody going to get hurt. You know what I'm saying? You got time to chill. Against no one running back we ever seen in our life. Watch out for him for 60-1. Boise State win the national championship.
Yeah, we definitely in the betterverse high. 61, you can't beat the odds. It don't matter who they play. We didn't even take time to look at the bracket. That's how crazy we is. That's how much research we do. Like, we forget whoever in their bracket, it don't matter. They 60-1.
Their bracket is right now is the teams that's going up against each other as far as the bracket. I mean, I saw them.
We don't know. But we know that they 60-1. And that's a good bet. You know what I mean? Exactly. That's a good bet. So 61 at the odds, they got the best running back in the nation. Nobody really beat Boise State. And I'm going to tell you, you know, we go off our gut. This one thing about Boise State that you got to know right here. The college playoffs exist because of Boise State. Y'all might not know that, but back in the day, way back in the day, because, you know, we old men, Boise State had an unbelievable season, was undefeated, and didn't have an opportunity to play for the national championship. And the team that they played they beat them by like 3-4 touchdowns. I can't remember the numbers. But ever since then, that started to talk about college football national championships. And here we are today, 2024, national championships. Boise State been in their division. They strength of schedule is what it is. They still was an undefeated team or close to undefeated. They beat everybody over there. They had the best running back in the country, maybe the best player in the country. Travis Hunter had the best story in the country. So to me, that's why he won the Heisman, because he had the best story and he killed. He dominated on the field and off the field, in the classroom. He had the total package. I don't know what his grade point average is in Boise State, but I know on his on-field average is monstrous. And it only made the tournament so much better because the talk started because of Boise State, and it's the first year of its conception, and Boise State got a bat in it, and they get to battle these Big Ten teams, these SEC teams. They get to battle all of these teams to see who the real, true national champion is, man. So that's what's so crazy about this Boise State thing.
I'm glad you kept going because I got some information that we need. They in this bracket over here now. Look at it. They play up against between SMU and Penn State. So I seen Penn State. They really don't never have offense like that.
Penn State
this year. Like if they get past that, then they go up against Georgia. That's the only one they got to go up against.
And Georgia might lose to Notre Dame, so that's not promising. Hopefully they got a battle Notre Dame. I love to see Boise and Notre Dame battle when they go to the national championship.
Plus 60 to 1.
Yeah, they gonna beat Penn State.
You know what I'm saying?
They gonna beat Penn State.
Georgia
Penn State make it. Who Penn State got to play? Texas.
If Penn State make it, they play Texas on the other side. They're on the other side with
who Penn State got to play?
Boise State.
First?
They got to play SMU first.
Oh, okay, they got to play SMU. Yeah, so they got to
SMU and Penn State.
They got to be SMU.
Right. So one of those two teams, they might have to be SMU or Penn State after that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That's a good bet.
That's a good bet. 60 to 1. Hop on it now, man. Man, let's get into it, man. You know, we gonna get this show on the road.
Yes, sir.
It's just a blessing to be here, man. We here for a good time, not a long time. It's the Weekly Dog Sportsman Podcast. Other side of the break, we coming with our hoops.